gonna make a volcano, and look what we need to make the volcano. Here we have the ingredients: 2 bowls of flour, 1 bowl of salt, and 1 bowl of water. And now it's time to mix the ingredients. Come on, let's put first the flour in here. 1 bowl. We put 1 bowl. It's clear. And now the other bowl. And now what do we want to put? Salt or water? What do you want? Salt or water? You know what? Let's go with salt. Salt. Okay, good. And now water. The last ingredient. Give it water fast. Bro, it looks kind of messy. Are you ready to do it? It's very strange. Bro, it feels sticky. I kind of like sticky things. Look at my hands. They look like monster hands. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whee. I think it's enough. Or maybe not. Wow, they're so sticky. They're stickier than glue, I think. God, Jesus Christ. It's time for the Mega Mixer. Goodness gracious. So messy wrist. Do you know how hard it is? Super. Yes. Here we have the fly, and now we're putting it right here. Let's put it. Hey, we put it. And now we need to make the volcano. It's kind of hard. This is hard mode. Yeah. Ooh. Incredible. Yeah. Put this. Do you see this? Look what I'm gonna do. Now what? So here. Dude, it's super mega hard. So we have. And then put legs. Yeah, not good. I need more slime. Pig, tool. We need to make it fertile because that's the rules of the volcano. If you are not a tall volcano, and then you are a baby. We need to make the volcano fast and fast. It's pretty cool. And now we finished the volcano, and now we need to decorate it. Now we need to have a boom. Yeah, and here. I keep wondering why the volcano different. Well, it's pretty simple. My mom takes it. My mom. And look here, boom, bump, down below, guys. But I think I'm gonna go with brown. I got some brown and then it looks like bread. Bro, it's hard. And the last color, the dark blue color. I don't know. Comment down below. Just comment down below. That's all. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's use. Where's my book? And everything. Oh, look at it. It's every color. I'm done painting the volcano. Look at it. I'm just gonna grab it and see. See? You like it? And now we are gonna make the volcano blow. Here we have the liquid. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Blow!